Take a look at this picture. This is the Riders app. And this trip from Methuen, Massachusetts to Boston, Massachusetts used to be nearly a $60 ride for the rider and $35 for the driver. Now imagine if they're charging the rider $34 from Methuen, Massachusetts to Boston, Massachusetts. Imagine what the driver is going to get. Now, like I said before, this Massachusetts and Uber agreement does not help the driver at all. Everything is going to remain the same or get even worse. And all the benefit that now we are getting is not offered by Uber. We are basically paying for it. I mean, imagine that you have an employee and you pay them with apples. And every day you give them like 2 apples, right? 2 apples a day. And all of a sudden you decide to tell them, you know what? Because you've been a very nice employee, I'm going to give you an extra apple. I'm going to give you 3 apples starting tomorrow. But then the following day, I'm just going to give you 1. But don't worry, because then the next day, I'm going to give you 3 more. Dude, you're still getting 4 apples every 2 days. It's the same thing. Nothing is going to change. Rich is getting richer, the poor is getting poorer. So the real deal, the real agreement was supposed to be 80% for the driver and 20% for Uber. That was supposed to be the deal. A rider pays $100, you get 80, and Uber gets 20. That was supposed to be the deal, and not the current crap that they gave us. Now, what do you prefer the most? The current Massachusetts and Uber agreement, or the 80 and 20% agreement? 80% for the driver and 20% for Uber. Which one do you prefer? Feel free to leave a comment. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.